Hi, it's Mr. DeTavio again, coming at you with a virtual scavenger hunt. I hope you all are ready for it. You can see me looking mighty fresh in my yellow cardigan from my Meet the Teacher video thing, which is also in Google Classroom and here on the YouTube page. So again, this is the screencast of what we're working on if you're unable to make the lesson. So there's a Google form attached. You can get the link. It'll be here in Google Classroom as well as here on the PowerPoint. That will be shared to you, obviously. You can look at the different questions, right? So you have to put your first name, last name, and what grade you're in, and then we'll get started. So, have you ever been outside of the country? Somebody in the chat box was going to put, what their name was, if you have been outside of the country, right? You could put me if you don't know anybody, and since you weren't there for the chat, you can do family and friends. You could do me. You can put anybody down that you want, right? So it's just supposed to be fun. Don't stress. Don't fret. Don't sweat it. Question 2 is, somebody that speaks another language. I actually really do not. That was just kind of a joke. I thought it was funny. But my wife does speak French. So you could put Annie. You could also put anybody that you know. Maybe it's you. My parents both speak Spanish. I'm not so good at it. Poquito. Put your name in the chat box if you ever met a celebrity. I just thought it was a funny picture. In Oregon, I met the former WWF, WWE wrestler Gangrel. And so there's me slapping hands with him when I had short hair. And there he is right there. He's like a vampire gimmick. Have you ever played on a sports team? There's a picture of me when I was probably about your age in like 7th grade, maybe. Wearing 54. Yeah, probably be 6th or 7th grade. And this is a funny thing I made for football players of Broughton. So you could put down me. Do you have any siblings? That's my brother, Jason. That's me. That's Jason. That's me. A long time ago, my grandparents had like a big farm type thing. That's just like a fake, I don't know, cement cow or something. Do you have any pets? That's Sasha and Cortez. Those are my guys right there. So whoever had pets, put their name down. Do you have a best friend? Those are my cousins. So it's me with my cousins. My cousin Alex is a therapist. My cousin Taylor's studying to be a teacher. My cousin Gerald is a musician. Have you been on TV? That's me with short hair. I was a head coach. I used to be on TV every once in a while, so that was kind of cool. I've been on a road trip. My wife and I drove from Orlando to Oregon and then Oregon back to North Carolina as part of moving a couple of times. So, yes, I have been on a road trip. If you need to put me with fresh cut, fresh shave. There's Cortez in the middle. And have you won an award? I won trivia night a bunch of times because I'm like a trivia nerd. You can see me with a real fresh shave there and haircut and stuff back when I worked at a charter school. So hopefully you have enough answers that you can fill into your form. Remember, family, friends, whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's supposed to just be fun. I hope you all have a great day. I'm excited to actually get in there and get to know you. So hopefully you come to some of the live sessions.